Updating your payment method on TransUnion Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TransUnion Business website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, find the option labeled payment methods or billing information. Click on this option to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update payment information. Choose the payment method you wish to update. Enter the new payment details, such as credit card number or bank account information, and ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new payment method is saved in the system. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on TransUnion Business. Keeping your payment information current helps avoid any interruptions in service.